he got shoe game. We ain't playing no games today. We're gonna get right into it. ASAP Rocky, you know how it is. I got here a women's Jordan 11. Now, this is straight from Nike. Got another unboxing for you guys. Question is can guys wear women's shoes? And we're gonna get down to the bottom of it and see if guys can wear girl shoes. And I've had a pair of these before, and they were fake. These are the real ones, and I did get these on sale. I got them for like $130. I know the retail is like $225, so kind of a good deal. I got them on a restock notification, and they sold out. Didn't take that long for them to sell out. So I just wanted to kind of see if I like them, see if they fit good, and if I do, they're gonna be in the collection for sure. One thing I do want to say is that these are a size 11 and a half. I am a 9.5 personally as a man, and I've already tried an 11 in women. I know you gotta go a size up, a size and a half up, so like a 1.5. So they fit, women's shoes kind of fit small, so I went two sizes up. So I went a size 11 and a half, so that would be a size 10 in a men. So let's stop talking, get to this unboxing right here. Yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. No gimmicks, no games, no hey to the no. Man, I'm gonna tell you right now how my day went. My day went good, for your information. Thank you for asking. I hope your day went great. Before we really get into it, if you could just leave a like and subscribe, that will really help the channel a lot. As you can see, I'm trying to grow. And I'm gonna bring you the greatest content that I could ever bring to somebody, because I'm being myself for sure. I ain't being nobody else but me. And the Just Do It tape, it just makes you want to unbox it, because it's like, hey bro, you getting some real J's. You getting some real J's. I don't know if y'all can see that. 11 and a half. Woman. Reads Women's Air Jordan Retro 11. USD 220. Like I was right. Yeah, like I said. Neutral olive is the colorway. It's a cool little box. Dope little box. Got a little out right there. That's your Jordans. Oh, okay. You got a black paper bag. This is for the ladies out there. These are for the ladies out there. Because I like women's Jordans too. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now, why I like these is because it has like some gold in it. And personally me, I like gold, so can't hate on a shoe like this. I didn't know these were women. I got these like in a size 9.5 in men, but fake shoes. So I'm gonna try these on, see how they fit on feet, and let you guys know what I think about them, if I'm gonna keep them or not, because I do like the way they look. I'm hoping they do fit, really hoping, because they are fire, for real. Let me just get this other pair out for you guys. Hold on. These are women's shoes. Now you can find these shoes on StockX, GOAT, but you're gonna you probably found a good deal on them. Their prices shouldn't really be too high. This is not like a hype shoe or nothing, but if you do like them, go ahead, go cop some of these for the women out there. But I ain't hating. You know, this is an appreciation channel. I appreciate the J's, the ladies' J's. Let's get into it. When I did have the fake J's, the fake ones of these, like my foot was literally coming off from the side right here. Like these tore. The quality of these, they feel not bad. They're not that bad actually. It's like a suede all around. You have a rubber gum bottom. You have a gold Jordan lace, kind of like a lace lock, I would say. And then you get this gold thingy that goes on the inside. So pretty cool. Another thing that I did want to mention is right here. It's real sparkly and it's beautiful. I really like that. And then you have your gold tips on your laces. Just an overall nice shoe. It fits a little big, like my foot's right here, but not other than that, it's not that bad. Pretty dope shoe. Look at how the way it sparkles.